A federal appeals court in New Orleans hears arguments today for and against full access to the abortion pill Mifepristone.
Yeah, the hearing comes after a judge in Texas struck down the FDA's approval of Mifepristone earlier this year. Fox 4's Alex Boyer has more on today's hearing. Alex.
Hi, guys. And, you know, this case has a lot of national interest. Keep in mind that last year, the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, leaving it up to the states to regulate abortion. The abortion pill now accounts for a majority of abortions in the U.S. Inside the New Orleans-based Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals Wednesday,
Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine et al. Versus U.S. Food and Drug Administration et al. Versus Danco Laboratories, LLC.
Three conservative judges heard arguments on whether or not a widely used abortion drug, Mifepristone, should remain available. An attorney representing the federal defendants, including the Food and Drug Administration, argued first.
The district court's order is an unprecedented and unjustified attack on FDA's scientific expertise. This court should vacate the order because plaintiffs are unlikely to prevail on any of their claims.
The case involves a regulatory issue, whether the FDA's approval of Mifepristone and subsequent actions making it easier to obtain must be rolled back. The appellate hearing follows an April ruling by a federal judge in Texas who ordered a hold on federal approval of Mifepristone, a decision that overruled decades of FDA scientific approval. His ruling was stayed pending appeal. The lawsuit was brought on behalf of Alliance for Hippocratic Medicine, a group of doctors objecting to the FDA's approval of Mifepristone.
Confronted with a drug that could not otherwise be approved, FDA marketed Mifepristone by labeling pregnancy and illness. Then FDA stripped this drug of virtually every safeguard it had once deemed necessary in order to sell the drug.
On its face, it's just about what the FDA did with respect to Mifepristone, both back originally and then on these more recent and more specific decisions.
David Cole is a constitutional law attorney who is following this case closely. Cole noted that the three appellate judges were all appointed by Republican presidents. Jennifer Walker Elrod, a George W. Bush nominee, James Ho, and Corey Wilson, both Trump nominees.
And they've just become more receptive to a number of arguments that challenge administrative agencies than the courts would have been 10, 15, 20 years ago. That change in people is producing a change in law, and at the very least...
The judges grilled attorneys on both sides. It's a high-stakes case. With the U.S. Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade last year, the abortion pill is how the majority of abortions are performed in the U.S. today.
What's at stake today is all of that ruling from soup to nuts.
And those judges won't rule immediately. David Cole estimates that they'll likely come out with their decision in about a month or so. But keep in mind that the decision, whatever it is, will also unlikely have any immediate effect because either party will likely appeal that decision to the U.S. Supreme Court. Back to you.
All right, Alex Boyer reporting live. Alex, thank you.